And finally, we all know that the Football World Cup is 1 year away. But how many of us know about a Football World Cup for the homeless? Well, that's due in August in Poland, and 64 countries are taking part, among them India as well. And in the Indian team are two young boys from Kolkata who are sons of sex workers from the city's well-known red light district, Sonagachi. The two boys have really had to struggle to reach where they are, and there's still one hurdle on their path to Poland, and that's money.
They've been playing football for years, Bishwajit in blue and Shurajit in red. Recently, both were chosen for the Indian team for the Homeless World Cup. Suddenly, their dream was within their grasp. The dream to make their mothers proud and tell the world that they were sex workers' sons and not ashamed of it.
আমি একজন সেক্স ওয়ার্কার চাইল্ড। আমি মনে করি দুনিয়া যত লোক আছে আমাদের ঘৃণা মনে করে তাদের আমি দেখিয়ে দিতে চাই যে আমি কিছু করতে পারি। আর ফুটবল খেলার মাধ্যমে আমি জানাতে চাই যে আমি বেস্ট, আমি কিছু করতে পারি যা ওরা করতে পারে না।
But there is a catch: money. Durbar Mahila Samanvay Committee, the unique cooperative of sex workers in Kolkata, which looks after the boys, is struggling to raise funds for their trip to Poland.
We need minimum 1,50,000 rupees, out of which we need 80,000 immediately. That means by 30th of June, so that we can process their visa by buying tickets and submitting it to the consulate.
For the two young footballers, the championship in Poland could be life-changing.
তো ওখানে কয়েকটা বিদেশি ক্লাবের লোকজন আসতে পারে। আমার খেলা দেখে যদি ভালো লাগে ওদের, তাহলে ওদের কোনো ক্লাবে সই করিয়ে রাখতে পারে। তো এইটাই আশা করছি আমি।
A door of opportunity has opened for Bishwajit and Shurajit. Entry ticket, 1.5 lakh rupees. For these two boys, that is a princely sum. But for a nation of football lovers, surely not. In Kolkata, Monideepa Banerjee, NDTV.